Let's say happy birthday, Papa Lo. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy 80th.
Oh, happy birthday.
Papa
I
Lo.
hope you enjoy your day.
Papa, again, happy 80th. We're thankful na you reach 80 and wish sana na um, you stay healthier and ma-reach mo pa anang maging makusog sa napermi. Always praying for you. And I also wish na sana nga nakapag-celebrate kami with you on your 80th. Kaya lang, sitwasyon sa day. Kumusta ka ninyo ngamin? Kay mama, kay papa, ay kay pangod ko. And again, Papa, have a wonderful birthday. Sana you have more birthdays to come. Okay? So, again, bye!
Bye. Ingat.
Bye! Bye, Pipi! Bye-bye!
Hi Papa Lo! Happy birthday! Ang masasabi ko lang po is happy 80th birthday sa'yo. And pag naiisip ko po na nakaabot ka po sa age na 80, I can't help but be thankful to God kasi it is a blessing na nakakaabot po tayo sa ganyang age. And thank you po for sa paghahatid sundo sa akin every time na wala si Papa. And I wish you more birthdays to come. And we love you po, Papa Lo.
Thank you when I was like little, when you were taking care of me. Mom and Dad was at work, and you're the ones who take care of me.
Happy birthday, Papa Will, and I wish you a long life.
Papa Will.
And I love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Berto. More birthdays to come. Thank you sa ngamin. Thank you sa pabaon lagi. Thank you sa pagkain lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. Sean, happy birthday, Nico.
Happy birthday, Papa Wo. Love you, Papa Wo. Papa Wo Pogi.
Happy 18th birthday, Papa Lo. 80 years of a life is a remarkable and fantastic accomplishment, and we're so happy to celebrate this special milestone with you. Thank you for your unwavering love and support throughout the years. You've made our lives so much richer, and we hope your birthday is filled with joy, laughter, and the warmth of all of your family and all of your friends. Enjoy your special day, and we hope that you have more birthdays to come. We love you. Mahal na mahal namin ikaw, Papa Lo.
Hindi pa. Okay, say it
Happy
again.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa, uli. Sa'yo, Lo. Yeah.
Hi.
What's your wish?
Uh,
He's 80. He's 80 now.
oh my god, you're 80?
He's old. No, but he's doing great.
Congratulations on reaching 80. I hope you win the lottery.
Okay, bye-bye,
Happy
Papa.
birthday!
To Papa, it's me again. Happy birthday uli. I just wanna say more birthday wishes for you na sana uli maging makusagpay ka, padagos-dagos anang paging active mo, sige mo exercises, which is good for you. And I know I heard na maybe right at this very moment na ako ka mo dinner with your closest friends na nagki-care for you, and yung mga siblings mo, mga uncle and aunties, mga relatives ta. And I'm just so happy na Sansera are celebrating with you on your 80th birthday, which is very special for you. And I know that na gusto mo yan. And wish you na maging happy ka sa napermi. And also, again, more birthdays for you. And I also wish na on your future birthdays, makapag-celebrate kami with you sa Philippines or either here in Canada. And you know how much gusto ko makapagbakasyon, makaiba pa ka mo, Permi. And I just want you to know na I'm so happy for you. I'm proud of you. And congratulations on your 80th. Most importantly, Papa, I just want to say na I love you. We love you from all of us here. Okay? And again, enjoy your birthdays. Diri magpa-stress. Just be happy, okay? Thank you. And bye now. Bye, everybody.
Hello, Papa Will. Happy birthday, Papa Will.